feel the rhythm of the beat in this episode of Library Make. Listening to and singing songs help build phonological awareness. Often each syllable of a word in a song connects to a note. Many songs and rhymes have rhyming words. Both pieces help children hear the individual parts of a word, which help promote reading and language.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay!